Alright people, dos motocicletas, two choppers, head to head. One corner,
The 2010 Honda Fury, and the other, the 2009 Big Dog Coyote. One's new to the game. Big Dog's been doing it for 15 years now, so we figured if Honda wanted to throw its hat into the ring, we might as well pit it against one of the best. Head to head, starting with the engines, the Big Dog's got a 1917cc S&S engine. The Fury, on the other hand, uses the engine from the VTX 1300 and has 1312 cubes to play with. The Big Dog features a 6-speed transmission, while the Fury is a 5-speed. One's got belt drive, while the Honda uses shaft. Got a little longer bike in the Coyote with a 77.5-inch wheelbase, while the Fury's a little tighter at 71.2 inches. Rake, you've got 38 degrees here, while the Big Dog has 39 degrees in the rake, with 3 degrees in the trees for 42 degrees total on the front end. You've got a 250mm rear tire on the Coyote, and a 200mm rear tire on the Fury. Both are great looking bikes, so it's time to get it on in MotoUSA's Chopper Comparo 2009.